No need to clean the face.
Oh, good burp. In we go. There we go. In we go. Okay, please give me the spoon back. Okay, you can hold it as long as you're eating. You just want to go ahead and feed yourself some too? I think somebody did mention that the best teething thing is with these spoons.
Yeah?
Or a spatula. Oh, I beat you that time. Alright, let's clean your face.
Just to use the, his, thing, bib.
I'm glad that you're liking your food so much.
Mm-hmm. It's coming.
You sure are playing with it. There you go. You getting it on your fingers and eating? Oh, it's so nice of you to clean up. Look what I have.
Hey, Tate.
Look what I have. Woo, woo, woo. Whoa. Woo, woo, woo.
Jennifer got us these bowls.
Oh, that's a good